Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey through history, where the echoes of the past reverberate through time. Today, we delve into the bloodiest day of World War II.
Hello, Moneymakers. This type of animated videos has been working very well on YouTube over the years. It has been proven that any channel that consistently posts animated videos on a specific niche are getting traction on YouTube, which will eventually result in a decent revenue from AdSense. As my job is to search on niches and bring new topics for you, recently I have found a channel that is making over $30,000 a month on history animated videos. I know you won't trust me, so take a look at this channel named Simple History. They have over 4.5 million subscribers and they are getting over 100,000 views on average per video. So if we calculate it as $2 RPM, every 100,000 views per video will earn $200. And some videos are getting more than 1 million views. So that is $2,000 per video. In this episode, I will teach you on how to make such videos in detail. Along with that, I will share some secret ways to make money on this type of channel in the end. So don't skip this video. Let's get started. Let's start with crafting the script for our video. Before this, choose one of the history topic which is famous and people love to watch them. For example, World War II or anything related to Hitler. Do not start making videos without doing proper research like keywords, knowing in department about the topic, etc. If you pick any random topic, you won't view as it needs to be unique or done correctly with animation. Alright, now let's focus on writing scripts for this. You can take help of Google Bard or Chat GPT. And for the example video, here I will choose this topic for my video. The bloodiest day of World War II. After choosing a topic, ask Google Bard or Chat GPT to write a very engaging long video script on the bloodiest day of World War II. Make sure to write in simple English. And as a result, Chat GPT provides us with a scene-by-scene script which you can use in your video, and also gave some idea of what type of scene we have to create for our background video, so we can easily create video with the help of Chat GPT. But remember, never copy the whole script of Chat GPT or Google Bard. You would need to add some emotions and make it so unique that it doesn't look like AI generated. If you need more prompts to write your script using AI, just like this video and comment down below, and I will reply you with amazing prompts for script writing for free. So, we got our script. Now let's jump to the second step. The creation of compelling voiceover. For this, if you are good and comfortable by recording your own voiceover, that's the best choice because it saves your money and also provides a premium voice to your video. But I know most of us are not good at recording a voiceover. Don't worry, I have a solution. You can use a premium AI text over tool which has high quality voiceover and also an affordable one. I will show you two different tools. One is a paid one and another one is completely free. You can choose the one you like according to your budget. So the first tool is 11 Labs. It is perfect for this type of video. It generates 100% human-like realistic AI voiceover. It also gives 1,000 free character per month. But if you want to go for longer videos in this niche, I would suggest getting a paid plan. You can start with either a starter plan or creator plan. And the second tool is Clipchamp. It is completely free, so you don't have to worry about to pay anything. Clipchamp is an online free video editor tool which also provides free AI voice generators. Open your browser and search Clipchamp. Open the link and sign in your account. After that, click on Create a Video. Then, after choosing the record and creating an icon from the left side, and here you will find a text-to-speech option. Click on this, and then enter your text. Here you will generate 10 minutes audio at once. That's amazing. Now select the voice which suits your video and click on Save. Then click on Export and export it in MP4 format. After that, open any MP3 audio converter and extract the audio file from the video. So by this way, you can generate unlimited voiceover for free. Now the last step is the video creation process. I will show all the steps in detail, so don't skip any part. To create a video, we need animated videos and images. So for this, I will show you an amazing and free AI tool, which will generate unlimited images and video. But before that, let's ask Chat GPT to write an image generation prompt for us. Then to generate an image, you can use Microsoft Bing or Leonardo. Choose any of this in which you are familiar with. I will go with Leonard AI. Enter your prompt and choose 16:9 ratio and click on Generate. And here are the results. Look at this image, how perfect it is. By this way, generate all the images of every scene. Try to generate multiple images for each scene to avoid the boredom. Now we are going to generate these images into animated videos. For this, I will show you 2 free AI tools in which you can generate unlimited videos without any limitations. Ready? The first one is Picverse. Currently, this tool is completely free to use, so you can easily generate as many as you want. Here, you can also generate video by giving prompts. But now let's generate video from images which we generated in Leonardo. Click on the upload file and select the image. Then press create. And here are the results. Amazing. You can also upscale this video for free. Isn't it great? So by this way, you can animate any image with the help of this AI tool. Now the second tool is Pika Labs. This is also a free video generator tool. Log into Pika Labs with your Discord server and click any of this generate room. Here you will find many messages on each room. To avoid this, I will show you a trick. Click on this member icon. Then right-click on PikaBots to select the message from this available option. So here you create your video without any disturbance from other people. All right, now type / and choose animate option. Then upload the image. And there you go, Pika Labs generated an amazing video from the image with better quality. So this way you can create many video with the AI images and then collate all of them to make a YouTube video. Right now it's time to edit the video. For this Wait. Take a look at this screenshot from our channel analytics. Over 93% of people who watch our videos don't even subscribe to our channel. Guys, it really takes a lot of handwork to produce such content and give it for free without selling any $500 course or promoting any affiliated products like others do. Therefore, I request you to please support our work. It will not cost you anything, but it will mean the world to me. All right, let's continue with our topic again. We'll use Canva, because it is the perfect tool to edit a video for the beginners. Open Canva and select the video icon from the dashboard. Now click on Upload all the images, animated videos, and voice over track. Then drag and drop the voice over track to the timeline. Then set all the videos one by one as per your script. Now the question is, how can we remove this watermark? So for this, you can use any AI tool which removes watermarks. Or the easiest way is just cut that much part like this and set the video. After that, go to the elements and search for war or any keyword related to your video. And here you will find many images and videos which you can use in your video. Or you can also generate images with Canva. Just click on Apps and choose Magic Design. Then choose Style and Landscape Aspect Ratio. So by this way, also you can generate images with Canva. If you wish to animate still images, then you can use this feature. You can add animated elements to the image. For example, here I want to add a helicopter. So I will choose this helicopter video from the video, or you can also choose one of this animated helicopter from graphics, then remove its background. Then click on Elements and create animation to this helicopter like this. And the best thing about the Canva, here you will find many background audios and sound, such as the sound of guns, sound of bombs, exploding, etc. So by this add many elements, sound music and better quality of voiceover and make your video. I will show you the video which I created in the end, so stay tuned. As you have now learned on how to create such videos, let me share some secret methods on how you can make additional income from such channels. So again, let's open this channel page. If we link on links, you will find that they have Patreon page where viewers pay additional fees to watch exclusive content of yours. If we open that link, we can see that this channel have over 1,100 paid members and they starting tier fees is $5 a month. If my maths is correct, they are making $5,500 every month just from Patreon. Apart from that, they are also selling ebooks on Amazon as well. So once your channel is getting subscriber, you can convert them into paid members for exclusive content and also selling digital products too. Good luck to you, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey through history, where the echoes of the past reverberate through time. Today, we delve into the bloodiest day of World War II, a day that would be etched into the annals of history as a testament to the resilience and sacrifice of those who faced the crucible of war. Our story begins on August 23, 1942, a day that would forever change the course of World War II. The world was engulfed in conflict, and the forces of good and evil clashed with unprecedented ferocity.